Congratulations! Onboarding is complete and your first payroll has been processed. Please make sure to pay attention to the screenshot in the email that shows you the debit dates and amounts. This report is included in the emailed report set that we send you each time we process payroll. So remember, when you submit payroll, you're acknowledging that funds are available and that we're good to process the payroll, which means you should pay attention to the debit dates and amounts and ensure that funds are available before the debit dates. Now that your payroll has been processed, here's what you can expect moving forward. Each pay date will send you an automated reminder 2 business days before payroll is due. This is your cue that it's about time to start processing payroll. Then on your due date, we will also reach out to you via email around noon if we haven't yet received your payroll. If we still don't hear from you, we'll follow up again later in the afternoon via text or call. If we still haven't heard from you, please make sure you get payroll in by 5 p.m. Central Time, otherwise it will be processed the next day. Ideally, payroll should be turned in by 2 p.m. Central on your payroll due date. But again, we do provide a grace window until 5 p.m. for those payroll submissions. If you have any issues that might delay your submission of payroll, please make sure to reach out to your payroll manager and make arrangements with them. We're happy to stay late or pop back in at a certain time if you're going to be able to submit payroll, but if we don't hear from you, we aren't going to wait around to see if that comes in. So again, payroll should be in by 2 p.m. Central Time on the payroll due date, but we do have some wiggle room. And if you have any issues or think that you may be late in submitting payroll, please reach out to your payroll manager to make arrangements. Don't forget, we send an email each time payroll is processed, which will include your payroll register, as well as that payroll summary report, which will go over everything that will be debited and when. And then as always, if you have any questions at all, just email support@valorpayrollsolutions.com, or you can call or text 918-860-2708 for assistance. We're so excited you're here. Please let us know how we can make payroll fun for you.